Hey, what's going on, folks? It's your guy, the 10X Closer, and I am just bringing you some quick tips in real estate, of course. So, today's tip is how you can pay off your mortgage early. So, if you have a 30-year mortgage, right, what people don't realize is you are actually, by sending in your regular monthly payments, just like a credit card, you're paying the minimum payments on that mortgage over that 30-year period. What that means is you send in just your mortgage payment, it's going to take you 30 years. Now, a way to cut that period um, by as much as 8 years is just sending in one extra mortgage payment per year. That's per year. That's one extra payment. So let's say your mortgage is $1,200 a month. If you send in an extra $100 per month for the full year, and basically 22 years roughly, depending on your interest rates and other, some other factors, you can basically shave 8 years off of your off of that 30-year mortgage. So, with that said, if you have the ability to, put away a little bit of money and send in one extra payment per year. If you can do more, great. The more you could send in towards that principal, the quicker you will pay off your mortgage and you will save thousands. Once again, it's your guy, the 10X Closer. Be sure to tune in to the Garage Billionaire podcast on YouTube. Click the link in my bio and subscribe, and we'll give you more information that you can use to better your financial situation. So, you guys have a good day.